you're experiencing issues with installing the FIFA 24 update and it's stuck at 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause updates to stall. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Restart the game. Close FIFA 24 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve update issues. After restarting, check if the update resumes or completes. Step 3. Clear cache. If the update is still stuck, try clearing the cache of your gaming console or PC. For consoles, this usually involves turning off the device, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then powering it back on. For PC, you can clear the cache through the game launcher settings. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your gaming console or PC is running the latest system software. Outdated software can interfere with game updates. Go to the settings menu and check for any available updates. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling FIFA 24. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. Make sure to back up any saved data before proceeding with uninstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the FIFA 24 update. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.